In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use button blocks in Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. Whether you're new to Squarespace or looking to enhance your website's features, these button blocks are a powerful way to guide visitors and enhance user interaction. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once logged in, navigate to your website by clicking on the Website tab in your dashboard. This will bring you to the editing interface where you can make real-time changes to your site. Next, locate and click on the Edit button. This is your gateway to customizing the content and layout of your website. You should now see various options for adding blocks to your page. Focus your attention on the option that says Add Block and click there. A menu will pop up displaying different types of blocks you can insert into your layout. Now select Button from the list. Button blocks are really quite versatile, allowing you to create calls to action and different navigation points on your site. With the button now on your page, click on it to access customization options. Here is where you make the button your own to fit the aesthetic of your site or the function you have in mind. After opening the button settings, you'll notice an area labeled Link. Click on that to specify where your button will direct visitors. You can enter a URL that will open in a new tab or redirect users to another section of your website. If directing users to an external web page isn't what you have in mind, you can also use the link settings to insert an email address, phone number, or even a file. Tailor the functionality of your button to suit your specific requirements. Squarespace offers flexibility in button styles too. You can choose between primary, secondary, and tertiary button designs, each offering unique looks and hierarchies for how they appear on your site. For further customization, click on the pencil icon, which will give you options to fine-tune the content and design of your button block. Adjust font styles, colors, spacing, and alignment to ensure that everything matches the overall look and feel of your site. Once you're satisfied with the changes, simply click outside the block editor. Squarespace automatically saves your updates, so there's no need to worry about losing your work. That's it. You've successfully implemented button blocks into your Squarespace site. Button blocks are a simple yet effective way to enrich the user experience and guide your visitors in engaging with your content optimally. With these steps, your site is well on its way to becoming more interactive and user-friendly. Thanks for watching and happy editing!